Gels electronic and switch panel engineering provides tailor-made solutions ranging from electrical engineering over process automation to control engineering and industrial maintenance. On-the-spot installation and commissioning is possible as well. Industry 4.0 and, by extension, digitalizing every step in the whole supply chain in order to achieve the highest accuracy is very important to us. The close cooperation with you, the customer, already starts with the proposal preparation because this is the right way to guarantee a smooth process. At the beginning, our experts plan the whole project for you and implement your wishes in compliance with all the relevant regulations. Our engineering department provides high-quality programming based on customer requirements or our own programming guidelines in order to assure a permanent, reproducible process. As a KUKA Systems partner, we fully implement the project from the pre-planning right up until the final deployment. We construct, program, and optimize your systems for a wide range of applications. Circuit and schematic diagrams are designed with the EPLAN P8 Pro panel. Using the part list of the electronical planning, all the components are placed inside a 3D model which generates the data for the production. This provides an optimal basis for all the other production steps. The pre-production department monitors and completes the interfaces for the digitalization in our manufacturing facilities. The production begins not until after the data has been checked once again. Regarding the production, we can always rely on our dynamic and well-organized stock. We use products from distinguished manufacturers to guarantee the best possible quality. As a retail system supplier, we have access to their whole production chain. The Perforex allows precise parts for various applications. Wiring ducts and support rails are processed with the cutting center Securex. The precise cutting only requires a few manual operations. The wire terminal marks the end of the technology center, allowing us a fully optimized wire assembly. Wire labeling and wire end ferrules are automatically applied, which makes the wiring of the switchboards partly automated. The wire terminal enables production speeds that are up to 6 times faster compared to conventional processing. The whole technology center ensures high, consistent quality and efficiency. We manufacture custom-made and full-scale production transformer stations and switchboards that are precisely fitting and tailored for your individual needs. The construction of the mounting plate and the labeling of the components is taking place right after the mechanical processing of the switchboards. After that, the switchboards are wired with the previously manufactured single wires from the assembly dolly. We offer various opportunities regarding the labeling of single wires. The processing of the prefabricated single wires made in the wire terminal is an essential advantage and guarantees a proper wiring. In the end, all products receive a final inspection before being delivered to our customers. We meter everything and create all the necessary documents for you. Due to our high degree of automation, a fast and qualitative production is guaranteed.